Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology faster. Begin by focusing on understanding the big picture and core concepts first. Don't jump straight into rote memorization. Next, actively test yourself using methods like flashcards or practice questions. This forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening your memory. Finally, always try to link new biological information to what you already know, building a robust mental framework. To study effectively, create visual aids like diagrams and concept maps. These help organize complex information and make connections clearer. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud to an imaginary audience or a friend. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Remember to break down large study topics into smaller, more manageable chunks, perhaps 25-minute intervals, to prevent burnout and improve focus. Optimizing your study environment is crucial for faster learning. First, minimize all distractions. Turn off phone notifications and close any unnecessary browser tabs. Ensure your study space is well lit and comfortable, but not too comfortable that you become sleepy. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind and maintain high concentration levels. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit older material to strengthen those neural pathways and prevent forgetting. Practice with past exam questions to familiarize yourself with question formats and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Remember, staying hydrated is also super important for brain function. Check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other helpful deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see your biology understanding soar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.